Oh, and by the way, I am Deep and you're watching Bong Indian Vlogs. Stay tuned. Woo. Good morning, guys. So today is the day called Rath Yatra, a very important Indian festival, also known as the chariot pulling of Lord Jagannath. Okay, so this is basically a state festival of Odisha, but since India is a land of festivities and culture, so this festival is celebrated all over the country. So what we do, we make different type of dishes, sweet dishes, especially malpua, a very famous sweet Bengali Urissan dish that is made. And right now my mother is also baking some beautiful malpuas. So let's go and let's see her make the malpuas.
I am able to keep pushing my limits and all the drive that I have. Well, I'm going the distance with you. I didn't know what I had till I knew I was missing, and everything that I dread, well, I built a resistance with you. Catch me when I fall, and I'll keep you on the ground. You were gone, I wish you'd stay. I could look at you for days. Time was well spent, that's when I knew that I need to spend my life here with you.
Perfect malpuas. Hey guys, lots of light now. Yep. So it's 5 a.m. Yeah, sorry. So it's 5 p.m. now, and as I promised you, we'll go for a walk and we'll see the Rath Yatra. So this is a very important festival in India, as I had mentioned before. So now what we'll see is we'll see little children. They're pulling the chariots, little wooden chariots on wheels, and they look very beautifully decorated. And in which you find little statues, little sculptures of the goddess Jagannatha. And these kids, they pull this chariot from one place to another, and also they give little bit of sweets as prasad, which we say. So this looks really very nice. I did a lot of talking. Now let's watch what happens. Let's go out. Come on. Just see my mom in front of the television.
नमस्ते प्रभु जगन्नाथ होइलु दास.
And so I'm all ready just to vlog. And so this doggy is always welcome me whenever I move out of my house. They're like my little pets. So I found near my house a group of children. They were nicely decorating the chariot and they were going to pull it right now. So this guy, this little child, he was putting in the flowers together to make a garland, and that would be decorated on the chariot. So these things were really beautiful, and the joy and the enthusiasm I saw in the eyes of these kids were really mesmerizing. I just loved the way they were decorating this beautiful chariot in which Lord Jagannath would sit. And this is the small statue of Lord Jagannath, Balaram and Subhadra, the two little sisters of Jagannatha that I had told you. Hi, well, hi. So this year, basically due to the lockdown, the number of Raths or chariots in the roads are very less comparative to the other years. So that is very saddening for me. But nevertheless, there are some chariots and I'll show you them. So in my locality, I have a small temple of Lord Jagannath. So I'll show you that. And behind me, if you see, these are the structures of Goddess Durga. So from today starts the making of Goddess Durga, and we have only 3 months in our hand. So this day marks the beginning of Goddess Durga's sculpture making. So if I show you around, you can see the big chariot. Okay, this is the big chariot. This is bigger than me in height, and this is a specialized, I mean, this is something which is very different here. This place is called Hori Shobha. Hori means Lord Krishna, and it's his place and it is his chariot. Probably this year, due to lockdown, this chariot hasn't been taken on the streets, or else it goes through the entire city in which I live. So this is outside a local sweets shop selling some beautiful jalebis, and this queue is not of vaccination but of buying these jalebis. Hey, so I'm back home after that vlog session, and now it's about 7:30 p.m. And in India we don't have dinner at 7:30 p.m. We usually have dinner at around 10:30, and 7:38. This is time for our evening snacks. Like what I see in foreign countries is by 8:30 you have your dinner. We don't do that here. So jokes apart, now it's time for our evening snacks, and since today is Rath Yatra, a special day, so normally we have a different type of snacks which is known as papad. Okay, roasted or fried papad. Now what is papad? I think many of my brothers and sisters all across India might have known. It's a very famous, I guess, a dish of Gujarat origin, but across the world, if I have to say for every one of you, for all my brothers and sisters all across the world, so papad, it's made from wheat, and it's like a chapati. Okay, so it's like that. It's made from wheat, and it's either baked or it's deep fried in oil. I'll show you how does it look, because my mother is doing that in the kitchen itself. She's making some fried papads for us. So let's go and let's find out what papad looks like.
When I'm with you, I am able to keep pushing my limits, and all the drive that I have, well, I'm going the distance.
So here's my snacks for the evening. I think you can see properly. This is the papad which I had been telling you, the roasted papad, and here is the malpuas, the sweet dessert that I had showed you. So the papad, just break it, you can hear the sound. Such is the crunchiness, and it's very very crunchy and salty, and it's just perfect for our evening snacks. And of course you have the sweet malpua. This is heaven, with the condensed milk on top. Heaven. So that's it for today's video. I'm ending my vlog here. Let me have my papad. I just love these snacks. We shall meet tomorrow on a new vlog, on a new day. Tell me whether did you like this video. This was a sort of informative type of video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like this video. See you soon.